now it's 1 minute left, and then when it's turned to green, so just click the drive, and then giving you 7 hours resume to drive again. Okay, wait until to make it 00 this minutes here, and the color is green. So don't click on that while still one. Okay, the green is the very important. That is the way how to resume your drive. Okay, just wait a minute. Just wait to make it 0. So that easy for you to take your break 30 minutes. Giving you another 60 seconds to make it 00. And then that's the time you click the drive. Okay, have a look. So since while you are taking your 30 minutes, giving you 60 seconds, then take a break. And then now when you are resuming to drive, so giving you another 60 seconds. But with the color is green, 00, before you click on drive to resume. Okay, have a look. At least you have already an idea how to use the logmeet in our apps. Okay, you just wait. And then here it will change, giving you the 7 hours. Okay, we wait until 00. See, have a look, color green, and then you click on this drive, resume. Okay, and then click here, resume, save. Click this one, save. Okay, so now giving you another 7 hours. 6:29, so make it 7 hours to drive again. Once you done resume to work in logmeet, so what you're gonna do is to open the Uber apps, finding another trips. Just click go online, just like that. Okay, so we have 40 bucks at the top, our last trips. So now it's ready to finding another trips and accept request for passenger. So it's easy to use if you know these apps. Okay, thanks for watching.